Come and join the ride of lifetime with Super Justin and Egay the Guy. Come on, come on, life should be happy and steady like Egay and Justin. In every vlogs they are always merry and jolly. Egay the Guy and Super Justin, I'm on clouds to be happy. Egay the Guy and Super Justin hit the road to begin our journey. Egay the Guy and Super Justin as inspiration, we're all lucky. Egay the Guy and Super Justin, they are always merry and jolly.
Hi, this is Egay the Guy. Our vlog is about Vatican or Vaticano in Italian. Vatican City may be tiny. The size is 110 acres or approximately 150 football fields. It has the world's largest Catholic church, St. Peter's Basilica or Basilica di San Pietro in Italian, and collection of artistic masterpieces. Approximately 800 people live here, including the Pope. The country within a country. Vatican City is a country because the 1929 Lateran Treaty between the Holy See, which is the central government of the Catholic Church, and Italy recognized its sovereignty and established it as an independent state. We're in St. Peter's Square or Piazza San Pietro in Italian. Pope Leo delivers the Angelus prayer from his apartment window in St. Peter's Square every Sunday at midday. This Angelus can be watched and heard worldwide in computer, through online, TV, and radio as well. We're now going inside St. Peter's Basilica. Thousands to tens of thousands of people, depending on the event. St. Peter's Square can hold over 50,000 people. Have lots of patience if you want to go inside St. Peter's Basilica. We're approaching the Holy Door at St. Peter's Basilica, which was opened by Pope Leo at the start of the Jubilee year. This door is open to all during Jubilee years, which is every 25 years. Year 2025 is Jubilee, so the next is in 2050. We just passed by the Holy Door, and inside St. Peter's Basilica, you can find some masterpieces of art. As you can see, the Michelangelo's Pieta, which is a famous sculpture of the Virgin Mary holding the body of Christ. We're going to St. Peter's Baldachin, located in front. Look at the grandeur of St. Peter's Basilica. St. Peter's Baldachin, noted for its magnificence, and the man who created it, the famous Italian artist Gian Lorenzo Bernini. It's important because the altar was built over the tomb of St. Peter or San Pietro. We're again outside in St. Peter's Square or Piazza San Pietro, and you can see the facade of St. Peter's Basilica or Basilica San Pietro, and we'll go to some tourist attractions in Rome after. Thanks for watching the vlog. And see you in our next vlog. See you!
Halika na't sumama sa biyahe ng buhay, kasama si Super Justin at Egay the Guy. Tara, tara, ang buhay sadyang masaya.